What's going on, advanced Fibonacci traders? Just kidding, guys. Welcome to Counter Trend Capital, the world's best crypto trading Discord. This is our first YouTube video of many. Um, I am a YouTube noob, so I'm going to do my best here, but we are going to grow this channel. It's going to be an amazing journey. So thank you all who have supported thus far. So what is Counter Trend Capital? Counter Trend Capital is going to be a trading Discord where we focus on education, trades, and community. So meet our team. Our main and best trader is Oyuban. He studied Elliott Wave theory for many years. He has an 8-figure account that he trades with. H has also studied Elliott Wave theory, as have myself. H has a YouTube channel called Trading with H. I'm going to link it below. Go check it out. He does crypto and US indices. Then we have Chowden. He's a harmonic trader. He uses advanced pattern recognition, really solid confluence with our Elliott wave theory. I myself, I'm mainly operations for the Discord. I'm also posting my trades, and then I am running the Twitter as well. And then we just added Twisted. Twisted is a SMC and ICT analyst. He's been trading for over 2 years, and he mostly focuses on intraday. So he's going to be doing lots of scalps in the Discord. So if that's your style as well, we have something for everybody. So come check us out. We're going to be free for another 10-ish days till around the 20th of February. After that, it will be paid. So we're going to have free trials and stuff like that in the future, but why not check it out now, see what we've got going on. And in the last few days, I mean, we've had hundreds and hundreds of percents of gains. We longed things like GRT, shorted Bitcoin from the top. So there's a lot of value in the Discord. I've been personally working on it every day for 5 or 6 hours in the last week, trying to just build it and make it perfect. But enough talk. Let's get into the video. So here's our blank BTC chart. And right now, we kind of see a 5-wave structure here. We know that this can't be a triple because it breaks the 1.618. So we're kind of thinking that this could be a wave 3, and we're currently doing a wave 4. So let's get into the counting. So here's how we have the chart set up right now. So as you can see, we have a 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then up here 3 4 5 3 4 5. So we have our top right here at 24,266, and then we've got this move down that's taken a couple of days. I've seen a lot of analysts on Twitter starting to get very bearish, calling for much lower prices, and that's a good thing. That's what you want to see in a wave 4, because the 5th wave wrecks all of them. Then they get bullish again, and then we actually come down. So here's how we have it. As you can see, we have a WXY labeled in blue, and then the ABCs within each leg. So there is an argument that this is a 1, 2, and then start of a 3, and it's supposed to be impulsive. But I mean, judging by this chop right here, that's pretty much an ending diagonal, it really doesn't look very impulsive. And especially if you would just look at this with the naked eye right now, it's looking very triple wavy. So here's how we measured it and got our targets. So as you can see, we've got the 1.23. We missed it by a little bit, and I'm on Binance Perp, so this should be the most accurate chart. We missed it by a little bit, so I'm thinking maybe one more leg down, and I'm actually really hoping for one more leg down, because I got an entry right here, but only half position. I was ideally waiting for the actual touch. So the other way we can look at that and double check is from our sequence down here. You can see 1.23 touch. Come on, baby, give me that 1.618 right here. I'd say if we get that and just shoot up, that would be such a good trade, because my stop is at 21,000. I'm risking 1.4% for a what, 15% gain? Yep, 15% gain. So give me that one last leg down. And then I also want to enter a bunch of alts. There's some alts that are really close to fourth wave targets as well. So that's another reason why I think that we do need another push up. A lot of alts look like they need another push up. So it makes sense when you see confluence with alts and Bitcoin like that. And the reason I like this count is because on our macro, at the moment, we have this labeled as a ABC flat right here. So these are our targets for the ABC flat. And then if you do our targets for the C wave and wave 4 ends right at the 1.23, you have these targets that are very, very close to matching right here. You know, if we go a lot lower, then you get into a truncation situation, which wouldn't really make sense. So we do think this is a stopping point right here at the 1.23. And then one final move up to around 24.8 to 25K. After that, could be a long way down, guys. However, if it blows through that, then we can assume maybe a bigger correction, right? ABC down, we long this and up. So there's a little bit more uncertainty about what will happen next, but at the moment it's looking like a very, very high probability that we are in a flat situation. As you can see, if this was a triple, it didn't hit anything clean, and as a 5-wave move, it doesn't really look done. Furthermore, we can do our fib retracement to see that this is still a valid wave 4. Hasn't even touched the 382, but it is past the 236. So technically it still has a lot more room as a wave 4. So that's valid in that sense. So the next important thing that we have to pay attention to make this valid is the RSI. So one of our members did point out that 4-hour RSI did break root of wave 2 right here, as you can see. I don't think it's too much of an issue because daily still held it. It's close, but it did hold it. And then back here on this, you know, wave 4, 5 situation, you know, the daily RSI did hold right here, but on the 4-hour, it did break. Where is that? Right here. So as you can see, it did break the lows of that situation here as well. So I think Bitcoin really only pays attention to the daily for that rule, particularly. So I think that solves the issue with the RSI in that case. Other than that, the RSI looks pretty good. You know, on a smaller time frame, we do have divergences right here. And then I think even on the 4-hour, we had one. Yeah. See, 4-hour, we have divergence as well. So that's another good thing that we have on this wave 4. All right, that's all for this video. Go ahead and leave questions in the comment section below, or you can join the Discord. I'm going to leave the link in the description page. I'm going to leave the link for our website as well and our Twitter. Our Twitter is really good lately. We've grown, 50 followers in a few days. So thank you so much for the support. Definitely check it out. We're posting, some trade setups on there, as well as some banter with some of the bigger accounts. So definitely check that out. And then just join the Discord in the next few days because it will become paid on around the 20th. So get in early so you can get a feel for it before it does become paid. Ask your questions about the chart. Not just us, but there's many other really, really good traders in the Discord, like Meta, Larry, Deuterino. He's really good, and they're all in there and they're happy to help. I really, really, really love the community that we built in there. I think there's a lot of large trading discords where they just, hop in there, ask for trades, look for trades, kind of almost selfishly. But in our Discord, it's always the opposite. Everybody's kind of asking what they can do for each other and how they can help each other. So I think it's an amazing community to be a part of. But with all that being said, I hope you guys have an excellent weekend and stay tuned. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.